When we created the mission 10 years ago, when I first arrived at ISP, it was a very inclusive process. We included parents, teachers, staff, students. Every word of the mission was chosen very carefully. And what we then did is, once we created that, is the mission permeates every aspect of the school. For example, our curriculum is completely aligned to our mission. It's not a bunch of content that kids will be learning about, but the mission, the curriculum itself is competency-based. It's skills-based. When you're learning science, for example, how does a scientist learn, and how can I learn to learn like a scientist, and how can I be empowered to do those things, and what competencies, what ways of thinking and ways of being do I need to be a mathematician or a historian or a musician or an artist or an actor. So the idea behind ISP, and it's what we've developed over the years and continue to work towards, because it is a huge challenge, is to bring to life these different competencies through every system we have in the school. Through our pedagogy, to how teachers work with kids. I talked about giving kids more flexibility and experiential opportunities. All of those things come to bear on what we're trying to achieve, going back to the mission of the school. The values of ISP in the mission are compassion, which is even broader than empathy if you think about it. It's not only that you empathize with others, but that you can actually make a difference and you can do something. Respect, integrity, intercultural understanding, those are our values. When we talk about empowerment in the mission, we say that we empower students to act in these ways. So it's not simply something, sorry, microphone. It's not just something that we learn, but something that we actually do, and we learn by doing. And so these competencies that we point to, we talk about empowering students to think critically and creatively, to work independently and cooperatively, and to be able to not only communicate, but also to listen effectively. And so those are the ground rules, those are the standards for our school.